If you are asked enumerate the arteries supplying the stomach, you must tell the name of that arteries which are having the term gastric, like right gastric artery, left gastric artery, then gastroduodenal artery, short gastric artery, posterior gastric artery, right gastroepiploic artery, left gastroepiploic artery. So all these arteries having the term gastric. The gaster or gastric means stomach. So all these arteries will supply the stomach. And if you are asked what are the structures of the stomach, if you cut it from outside inwards, outermost part is the peritoneum or serous, deep to serous coat is the muscular coat having 3 layers of muscle. In other parts of the GI tract, the muscles are 2 layers, longitudinal and circular. But in the stomach, you will get one extra muscle layer, that is the oblique layer. Longitudinal, then circular, then innermost is the oblique. So the serous coat, then muscular coat, then submucous coat, and innermost is the mucous coat, which is lined by the simple columnar epithelium. And if you cut the stomach, you can see the mucus having the different folds like this. They are longitudinal folds. They are called rugae. These folds are there because when the stomach distended, the folds, the capacity of the stomach increases because of these longitudinal folds. I must hold it in the anatomical position like this. The right vagus nerve will supply the posterior inferior surface and left vagus nerve supply the anterior superior surface. Why? The explanation is this: when the stomach develops, the lesser curvature, it was anterior, and lesser omentum, it is developed from the ventral mesogastrium, and dorsally, this greater omentum, it developed from the dorsal mesogastrium. So now that time, it was the right surface, it was the left surface. But this right surface, because of the enlargement of the right lobe of the liver is this, liver is here. So because of enlargement right lobe of the liver, it pushes the stomach gradually. Then the stomach rotates towards the right side. Because rotation like this, now the right side or right surface becomes posterior inferior surface, and the left surface becomes anterior superior surface. So consequently, the right vagus nerve will supply the posterior inferior surface and left vagus nerve will supply the anterior superior surface. So there are so many questions may be asked from the stomach. If you can answer all these questions, then so many questions may be asked after that. And that questions may be from the interior of the stomach, lymphatic drainage of the stomach, other applied importance of the stomach, what are the factors which prevent the regurgitation of the food from stomach to esophagus, then why the peptic ulcer is common towards this lesser curvature and gastric carcinoma more common along the greater curvature. All these questions will be asked after you have answered all the previous questions, what I have told you previously. So that part you must have the knowledge of these basic things. So I think this is gross anatomy or different structures or different parts of the stomach and its anatomical position. So next day I will discuss another important viscera, maybe on liver or kidney, whatever may be. But stomach, liver, kidney, all these are very important viscera. You must read and then you come to the examination hall. So thank you very much. Don't be afraid of that, but you must read carefully and listen to the video from the very beginning up to the end, and I think it will be clear to you to understand the different important basic things of the stomach. So